Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we have a very exciting unboxing. I know I say that quite often, but this is something all new from DJI. This is their first little baby steps into FPV drone flying. FPV drones are completely different than most of the consumer drones that most of us are used to flying. I've done some FPV flying before, but not really that much, so I'm very excited to test this out. Without further ado, we're gonna unbox and get to it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's heavy. Heavy boy. Controller. Let's get everything out. Gosh, there's so many goodies in here. This is an authentic smile. Sometimes I smile and I'm crying inside, but this is real. There are no tears inside. Holy crap, I can't wait to take this out. Looks like this is some propellers. So this is the A propellers. This is the B propeller box. They're also red tips. I thought we were gonna get like a different tip color. So to be able to identify which one is the A and which one is the B, you'll see the inner circle of the A is red, the B is black. Oh shoot, look at this. Oh boy. We've got some more boxes. That is a very large power adapter. What's this? Oh my gosh, I can change his outfit. Oh. Oh, wow, look at all of this. Like, we're all gonna end up walking around like this one day, you know it. Hi, I'm Justine, nice to meet you. I'm COVID negative. So here's everything that came inside of the Fly More combo kit. Now, the cool thing about this is, yes, it is an FPV drone, so you can fly traditional FPV. So if you do take your hands off the throttles, the drone is going to drop out of the air. But they also have the modes that we're familiar with in previous DJI drones, so you can fly this normally. This is a really great way to kind of ease your way into FPV drone flying. The one thing that I do want to note is FPV drone flying has been around for a really long time, and a lot of these pilots have worked so hard to create their own drones. Most of them are made basically from scratch. This is a way to make it more accessible, but I don't want that to discredit all of the hard work and effort and the time that all of these pilots have put in, the years of building and perfecting their drones. I see you, we see you, we don't forget. I'm a noob. Hi. Time to charge up the batteries, update the firmware, and I've got a lot to learn. I've never been afraid to fly a drone before, but this is something that's entirely different. I'm not very comfortable flying FPV, so this is kind of really like my first big leap into it. Now, the good thing about this drone though is I can fly it like a normal Mavic, which I'm incredibly comfortable with. But you can flip this thing into sport mode and you can go so fast. But thankfully, there's really not a lot of stuff that I can hit out here. The real question that I'm asking myself is, am I gonna be brave enough to pop this into manual for the first time in this video? I'm not entirely sure. I'm a little bit nervous. I feel like I kind of want to work up to it because I don't want to crash the drone. I have been doing the in-flight tutorials. There's an app where you can race in different settings, kind of like a simulator, but nothing simulates real life. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So here she is. Oh, wow. That is aggressive. Nothing about this drone is subtle at all. All right. No better time than now. This is weird. It's like I'm outside my body. I got so close to this car, holy crap! That was so scary. You guys, I'm still learning my controls. Yes, okay. Return to home. I'm just testing it out. I normally, for me personally, I never like to do return to home. I like to manually land myself. And surprisingly not feeling much motion sickness as I thought that I would have. When I'm playing the kind of like the simulator, I do feel a little bit of motion sickness, but because I feel like I'm sitting stable, not moving my head a lot, I feel pretty good. I can't believe how much fun I'm having. Dude, I almost hit you. I'm about to take off on one more flight. The problem is these batteries aren't charging fast enough and I only have 3. So this is my 3rd flight and this is something that I really want to test out. This is the motion controller. So this is kind of an all new way to control the drone. It's basically gesture controlled. Here's your acceleration, there's a brake. So I'm not going to try the motion controller out just yet. I'm still kind of getting my bearings and I also only have 1 battery left. So I want to get a couple more flights in before we don't have any batteries left. I am very excited though because I am going to be meeting up with some of my friends and we're going to do an FPV drone course race together. So I need to practice up and get ready for the big race. I'm not confident in my skills yet, but we'll see what happens. She's going in. I am preparing for the tournament tomorrow. There's a big race that's happening with Jesse and some fellow pilots. I'm so dusty. Going in.
Left, towards Jenna, towards me, up, 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 up.
So that's the problem. So we're in Oxnard right now, and there is a drone competition that is about to take place behind me. They have this course all set up. There's small little gates. It's very close quarters, and this type of flying is something that I don't ever do. I'm so used to flying just my Mavic drone, getting cool cinematic shots. This is completely different.
When you're in the FPV, it's so much faster. The other thing that I've never experienced in FPV is the proximity sensing there. So like the jerk that I am, I tried to thread the needle going down these orange groves and it slowed it down at like a really consistent slowdown and then was like, hey bro, it's kind of a lot of right now. And like it kept me from being reckless.
Technique,
is the pinch technique something I should know about?
It is.
That's what I use.
Really?
But I wouldn't.
I go gamer technique. I go like Call of Duty hold.
So I did too, but you can't do that.
You get more precise this way.
Yeah.
I guess I'm up first.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
That was awesome.
So my natural reaction was like, okay, I'd rather go up.
When you went around these 2 gates, we were zipping. We're like, oh wow.
This is so cool. This is such a fun course. If you guys want to check out the full video that Jesse did, I'll put a link in the description. And is my forehead dented? Yep. That it is. Casey. Yep, that's something he's doing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun testing out this drone. I love flying FPV. The thing that I do need to do is practice a little bit more, but this kind of really opened up my eyes to what's possible, and the fact that DJI is making this easier and accessible for more people to start flying. It's really cool, and I'm so excited to see what the future of this all looks like.
I have no idea where it is.
It's coming up for us. Like, quick.